Smile confidently again with our home teeth whitening light kit. 5 powerful LED bulbs accelerate our teeth whitener gel to break up and dissolve stubborn stains caused by food, wine, smoking and aging. Pre-mixed whitening gel syringes are mess-free and easy to use in the privacy of your home, without expensive dentist visits. The most powerful tooth whitening kit available, it features dentist-grade 35% carbamide polymer gel whitener and a light unit with 5 of the brightest LED bulbs to act as a catalyst. Stop wasting money and time in a dental chair. Regain your youthful, stain-free smile in the privacy of your home, for a fraction of the cost. Integrated 10-minute timer lets you relax with a book or tackle other tasks without watching the clock. In just 3 short sessions totaling 30 minutes, you will see visibly brighter and whiter teeth. Our gentle teeth bleaching kit includes a remineralizing gel to deter strengthen tooth enamel and deter sensitivity to hot and cold foods. One size-fits-all universal mouth tray snaps on and off of the LED light unit for easy cleaning. You also receive 3 syringes of whitening gel, 1 syringe of remineralizing gel, 2 moldable whitening trays for friends or family to use, and a plastic storage case to keep your LED whitening tray clean and protected in between uses. FDA-registered facilities adhere to rigorous quality control protocols for your safety and peace of mind. The VieBeauti LED teeth whitening system is powered by 2 energy-sipping batteries, which we have pre-installed. Simply remove the plastic shield from the battery compartment to begin using it at once. Top reviews from the United States. Doesn't make teeth sensitive. This product worked really well and I had noticeable results after just a couple times. I used to just use Crest white strips, but what I really like about this product is you can get into the cracks between your teeth, which is where I noticed mine were becoming more yellow. On top of that, after about 2 or 3 days of the Crest white strips my teeth usually become really sensitive and I can never finish a full week of the whitening strips. I've been using this now for about 7 days straight and I've noticed great results and no extra sensitivity at all.